If you don't have a blog, go start one today. If you have a blog but haven't gone to it in a while, go back to it. Use this episode as a bit of inspiration to find some ideas and some topics to write about, and then just keep at it. If you write a blog consistently like I do, but some of the basic SEO tips I share with you you've never thought about or never integrated, go back and edit some of your existing blog posts, freshen up some of the images and freshen up your copy or your text, and use some of those headings that are pre-filled out in your blog post writer, and use some of the headings that are there. Pull some of the content into some lists or some bullet points and save that, because newly refreshed blog posts, when you alter the text and you save it, it pops up as a new piece of content for Google to crawl. So if you wrote a blog 2 years ago about why your electricity bill is so high in 2022, go back to the blog post, change it to why is your electricity bill so high in 2024, change up some of the copy and save it again, and maybe add a couple of new images.